editorial note while I'm editing this episode. If you find this whole outdoor fly fishing hula hula extravaganza intriguing, then I think you should try it as well. Because it's just so marvelously awesome, and to get to live those experiences and get to chase that dream fish of yours. And that's why I have a suggestion for you. The next round of Fly School with Anni online course is starting soon. That means in 6 weeks we learn fly fishing together online in a live group with other like-minded people. It means on your computer or on your phone. Wanna know how that's possible? Click over to kajanaclub.com/fly school and you get all the details on how to learn fly fishing in 6 weeks. Now, back to editing. Little update. We went and bought new fishing license for one more day and had a small injury with the hooks and got candy drops med surtpulver. Well done my Norwegian candy friends. I don't know if these are Norwegian, but these are nice. Some proper surtpulver, whatever it is.
Niin, varovasti. Ei tule vielä.
Näin on.
Vai mitä, Anni? Nosta vähän ylöspäin. Hienon näköinen.
74 centimeters.
Ai. Anni.
I'm speechless. Pretty awesome. And it wasn't long after I just said that and had the hook in my finger. So maybe the tactic is that you first test if the hook is sharp and then you go fishing. I don't know. Click over to kajanaclub.com/fly school and you get all the details on how to learn fly fishing in 6 weeks.